on Friday, April 15th, from the floor of the CME Group. Top-notch trading here today, in for MrTopStep. Danny's away, so MrTopStep's coming back because he had a little, some comments saying they wanted a rebuttal of what had happened and what I'm still looking for in this S&P future. And on Tuesday, Top-Notch Trading said they were going to be toast and looking for that 3A2 fib retracement down to 13 even half. Well, the toast is made, but it's just lightly brown, because if it's going to be burnt toast, ladies and gentlemen, they would have taken that move down to 1289.80. A little bit in flux today with the things that are going on, especially with this morning's economic data. Yesterday, though, Top-Notch Trading did put out the key price that could have seen that whole reversal was 1298 half, and it was on the morning's report at 8 o'clock, stated the key tell would have been 1298 half. Well, the S&P opened yesterday, ladies and gentlemen, and made a low of 1298 half, 1298 quarter in the mini, and if you were looking to buy them and that key tell was there, voila, you got them. So that was the great support area that took us up to a 1330 high yesterday before they settled off at 1020. Now this morning, the first move at 7:30 saw a little bounce of these S&Ps and NASDAQ futures, but a refusal to make new highs at the time. A further retest down to where they opened, saw a little sideways action. But the key tell right now that I was looking at was from that 30-year bond. 7:30 came out this morning. The bonds had made a low of 1931 to 2005. Out of nowhere, right up to 120.20. And then when they came down to 120.05 and held that opening high, it said another test of that high was coming, which has happened with just one tick of 120.21. A rejection has seen 120.12. Look out now. Top-Notch also said on Tuesday that 2028 and 2031 might see some stops triggered today, and if they can get above there, 121.09, key level. S&P right now, a lot of sideways action. People asked me today, what are you thinking about the market? And I said, I am lost for words. And everybody got a big laugh out of that, because Top-Notch is hardly ever at a loss for words. Right now, because of this economic data and this disengagement of what was supposed to be an inverse relationship with the 30-year and the S&P, well, everything's rallying. I'm leaving it alone for the weekend. I got to see how it unfolds today. You have a good weekend. And if we see that 1298 half breach next time, for sure, 2890, like I was saying, 1289.80, and the objective of 1274.20 will be in the S&P site for sure. Have a good weekend.